This is going to be a cicada. I start off by folding it in half diagonally, and then I fold the left and right flaps towards the middle. I then fold these flaps down on an angle to form the wings. Using the uppermost layer of the top half, I will fold this down, leaving a 1 centimeter gap above the wings. Now I can use that layer underneath and fold this down, doing the same, leaving about a centimeter gap so I can see the underneath colour. I flip the paper over and I'll fold the left and right side in towards the middle, making that same kind of angle that I did before when I formed the wings. Flip the paper over to see your finished model. Hi, it's Isabella from BizziArt here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!